like a broken bird with broken wings. Your country went to hell and came back. Nobody who was there on that day could see how she would ever recover her wings. But she did recover, first her body, then her soul, her tears and her laughter, her fish and her paddies, her singing and dancing, her beauty and history. Most of all, she recovered her youth, and they looked at their future with hope. Then you took the bird in your hands, you saw her wings and did everything to break them again, clipping its feathers, declaring, I know what's best for you. These wings would just fly you back to hell. And ladies and gentlemen, you better follow me, or I'll send you my fire. Without those broken wings, she could do anything, fly anywhere, any time of year or month. So are you satisfied? Satisfied now that you've done it again?